Number 10. Pecos National Park. Pecos National Historical Park is a United States national historical park in San Miguel and Santa Fe counties, New Mexico. The park, operated by the National Park Service, encompasses thousands of acres of landscape infused with historical elements from prehistoric archaeological ruins to 19th century ranches to a battlefield of the American Civil War. Its largest, number 9, Taos Ski Valley. Taos Ski Valley is a village and alpine ski resort in the southwestern United States located in the Taos County, New Mexico. The population was 5,887 at the 2020 census. Until March 19, 2008, it was one of 4 ski resorts in America to prohibit snowboarding. The Kachina Lift, constructed in 2014, serves one of the highest, number 8, Gila Cliff National Monument. Gila Cliff Dwellings National Monument is a U.S. national monument created to protect Mongolian cliff dwellings in the Gila Wilderness on the headwaters of the Gila River in southwest New Mexico. The 533-acre national monument was established by President Theodore Roosevelt through executive proclamation on November 16, 1907. It is located in the extreme southern portion of Catron County. Visitors, number 7, Cumbres Toltec Scenic Railway. The Cumbres and Toltec Scenic Railroad, often abbreviated as the CNTSRR, is a 3-foot narrow gauge heritage railroad that operates on 64 miles of track between Antonito, Colorado and Chama, New Mexico, in the United States. The railroad is named for 2 geographical features along the route, the other beginning the Durango and Silverton Narrow. Number 6, Taos Pueblo. Taos Pueblo, or Pueblo de Taos, is an ancient pueblo belonging to a Taos-speaking Native American tribe of Puebloan people. It lies about 1 mile north of the modern city of Taos, New Mexico. The Pueblos are considered to be one of the oldest continuously inhabited communities in the United States. This has been designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Taos Pueblo is a Number 5. Petroglyph National Monument. Petroglyph National Monument stretches 17 miles along Albuquerque, New Mexico. New Mexico's West Mesa, a volcanic basalt escarpment that dominates the city's western horizon. Authorized June 27, 1990, the 7,236-acre is corporatively managed by the National Park Service and the city of Albuquerque. The western boundary of the monument features. Number 4. Bandelier National Monument. Bandelier National Monument is a 33,677-acre United States national monument near Los Alamos in Sandoval and Los Alamos counties, New Mexico. The monument preserves the homes and territory of the ancestral Puebloans of a later era in the Southwest. Most of the Pueblo structures date to 2 eras, dating between 1150 and 1000. Number 3. Albuquerque International Balloon Festa. The Albuquerque International Balloon Festa is a yearly hot air balloon festival that takes place in Albuquerque, New Mexico, during early October. The Balloon Festa is a 9-day event occurring in the first full week of October and has over 500 hot air balloons each year. Far from its humble beginnings of merely 18 balloons in 1972, the event is the largest balloon festival in the world. Followed. Number 2. White Sands National Monument. White Sands National Park is an American national park located in the state of New Mexico and completely surrounded by the White Sands Missile Range. The park covered 145,762 acres, that is 227.8 square miles, in the Tularosa Basin, including the southern 41% of a 275 square mile field of white sand dunes composed of Gibson. Number 1. Carlsbad Caverns National Park. Carlsbad Caverns National Park is an American national park in the Guadalupe Mountains of southeastern New Mexico. The primary attraction of the park is the Show Cave, Carlsbad Cavern. Visitors to the cave can hike in on their own via the natural entrance or take an elevator from the visitor center. The park entrance is located on US Highway 62-180, approximately 18 miles.